Okay, when Allah created man and woman, He showed them the way to live. As the time went by, the people fell into evil ways and ignored Allah, their creator. Allah sent his prophets Nuh, Ibrahim, Dawood, Musa, Isa, and many others to bring the people back to the straight path. Hi, inshallah. Iqra, read this before you move to the next before we move to the next kitab, inshallah. Hi,
Okay.
continue. Start reading for us.
From the top.
Allah revealed His books to many of
Allah
them.
revealed His book to many of these prophets. He gave the Torah to Prophet Moses ﷺ, the
Zabur.
to Prophet Dawood ﷺ, and the Injil to Prophet Isa ﷺ. Eventually, Allah
Start
gave
reading.
His final message, the Quran, to His last messenger, Muhammad ﷺ. The Quran is Allah's most precious gift to mankind.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Well done, Mumtaz. Mumtaz, let's go.
Prophet was once alone in the cave of Hira. He was 40 years old. The
40
month
years old.
of Ramadan in the year 610 CE. Suddenly an angel Jibreel salam, appeared to him and said, read. I
That's it.
cannot.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Hi, Hamdi, mashallah. You're going to start from I cannot read. He answered. Let's go, Hamdi.
Hamdi. Oh, okay. I cannot read, he answered. Later he described what happened. He said he seized and squeezed me as hard
He
as
sized it.
I
He
could
sized
bear
it.
and then let go of me and said,
Yeah.
can
So
you hear me?
he said yeah. This part he said he didn't. He sized at me. He sized at me like he
Sized me
overpowered me
and,
basically. Yeah.
and squeezed me as hard as I can bear and then let me go and said, read. I cannot read, I said, and then he squeezed me as hard as I can bear. The second time he let go again and said, read. Then he squeezed me the third time and let go of me and said, I can't see the rest.
Yes. MashaAllah. And said what? Yeah. So اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clot of blood. Recite. And your Lord is the most gracious, most taught by the pen. Uh, okay, who taught by the pen taught man what he did not know. So this is in Surah right there. This is the first surah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed upon Rasulullah, right, as you can see. So here. Now, okay, inshallah, Abdullah Karim. Salman, start reading, inshallah. The Quran contains.
The Quran contains Allah's final and perfect revelation. Its teachings offer guidance for every aspect of life, from how to pray to what food to eat, from how to run a business to the way to govern. In this way, the deen, religion, and way of life
Is not separate from every
is
day.
not separate from everyday life. The law and the teachings of the Quran are guidelines not only for individuals but also for the whole world at all places and times. Should I continue?
MashaAllah. No, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Ma'idah.
Yeah.
Start reading for us, MashaAllah.
The Quran is the most complete and perfect revelation of Allah. The text of the Quran is divided into 114 surahs, and each surah is made up of ayat, plural of ayah. There is a flow and rhythm in the Arabic text giving the Quran a special power and beauty. Muslims should live their lives according to the teachings of the Quran. The Quran is the last revealed word of Allah. It is a message for all times and places and for all mankind.
ما شاء الله بالله كريم. هاي well done, well done, well done.